Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to farm a new airdrop out there which is called TapSwap. So let's get started. What you need to do, if you are new to it, just go to your Telegram or open your Telegram, click on the search button, and now go and search for it, TapSwap, and it's going to pop out. Just click on open. Also click on open, then you can start mining. You can see now you can start mining. If you want to do anything here, click on your tax, and I think this is where to get our tax done. Now list, okay, sorry for that. This is how we can get our tax. Just go there, go and do some tax, join token on your YouTube channel to be able to claim 1000 coins. So I'm going to do that one. Now click on start mission. Now I'm going to subscribe to the channel, so I'm going to go there and subscribe to the channel to claim their 1000 token. Okay, it's going to open, and you can see I've subscribed. So once you do that, you go back. I'm going to click on check, and I'm going to claim my reward. Okay, it's going to check if I've confirmed it or not, so I'm going to wait. So once I've confirmed it, just click on check, and it's going to automatically do on your. So just click on finish mission. Another mission is going to pop out instantly, so let's wait for it. Okay, you can see, just click on done. Also click on done and click on finish mission, and you can see click on claim, and this is how you can claim a lot of coin here. Okay, wow, you can see this one is going to mark. Now you can see I have 1 million coin already. You can do more tax. You can see this one is marked. Do more tax, then you'll be able to get 1 million coins. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Happy farming. Just do more tax as you can do.